When you're working with APIs, there's a couple of data formats you're going to come across. The first is called JSON. The second is XML. JSON is short for JavaScript object notation. And you'll notice it's aptly named because it just looks like a JavaScript object. It has keys and values, where those values can be things like numbers, strings, booleans, objects, arrays, or nulls. They can be nested in any combination, and that makes them easy to work with. Most programming languages these days have a JSON parser built in, which means you don't have to install anything extra in order to work with it. This is XML. You'll notice it looks a lot like HTML, but the tags are customized to the use case. So let's learn more about how to use those APIs.
Welcome to Information Design for Visual Storytelling. I'm Emily, and I will be your instructor for the next 9 weeks. What we'll be focusing on learning throughout this course is 1, developing a vocabulary for speaking about and understanding the field of information design and what you might be building in this field. Number 2, what is a framework for creating projects of data visualization following a human-centered design process? So throughout the course, we'll be referring back to this process to ground us in which step we are in. We're also going to look at data narrative patterns and UX design principles to be able to help us frame the core messages that we are seeing in our data and be able to visually communicate that the most effectively. And then finally, we want to be able to share, to be able to communicate this and distribute this with our community and with the broader information design community. So we're going to be thinking about presentation and publication considerations. A couple of things that I want to emphasize is to engage on the discussion boards throughout the course. There are most likely in your cohort a variety of people from different backgrounds, different industries and perspectives, and to be able to understand and get their feedback on your projects as you work throughout the course is an incredible asset that I want us to be able to take advantage of. So please do so. This will help us iterate and better refine our projects to be compelling visualizations. I look forward to seeing what all of us create in this course, and looking forward to the next couple of weeks with everyone.